Good day to you all. My name is Roel and I'm from Holland, and I am doing a sound demo right now. And that's the first thing I will do before I do anything else on this video. It's a short video. I'm not a professional. I'm just like you, sitting here in my own little apartment, trying to enjoy my Sonos Arc Ultra. So this is the 4K Blu-ray from Oblivion, and I think it's a nice movie. So that's why I'm choosing this, and we do the little sound demo. Doing sound demo first. As you can see, we rock the Ultra as the main bar, and I do have it, so it's legit. So now starting with the movie, I got an 85-inch mini-LED Sony TV and doing it on the PlayStation, the movie. So here I'm going to be playing it and enjoy a little bit.
Jack Harper, Tech 49. Morning, Bob. Tower, call check. Drone maintenance technician 49, hydro rig support. All public systems are green. I'm good to go.
Copy Tech 49, you're cleared. Be careful out there.
Always am.
No, you're not.
You're right. I gotta work on that.
All right, Tech's coming online in 30 seconds. Relaying hydro rig coordinates now. Confirm visual.
I got him. Hydro rigs are sucking seawater. You got him, Bob? Drone 185 looks good.
Jack, we've got 2 drones down.
Shit.
Stand by, mission coming online. And we have Tech contact.
Morning, boss.
Tower 49, this is Mission Control. How y'all doing this lovely morning?
Another day in paradise, Sally. Uploading data now. 49 mission log, day 1642, hydro rig support. I have 2...
You have 2 drones offline, perimeter's compromised.
Copy that, relaying to Tech, stand by. Jack, 166 is down in grid 37. Linking to beacon now. You go there first.
Got it. On my way.
Mission Tech 49 is en route to grid 37 now.
Can you plug that hole with drone 109?
Negative, 109 is in the dock. Still waiting for parts.
Jack, better find those drones and get them flying. Those rigs can't be exposed overnight.
Copy that.
Recently?
Jack has fixed all the drones recently, and if we'd had the parts that we've been asking for, we wouldn't be running a skeleton crew down here.
Understood. We're doing the best we can. Are you an effective team?
We are an effective team.
Your directive today is to rehabilitate 166 and find 172. Get them flying by sundown. I'll buy you 2 a round of drinks when you get up to the test.
You better be ready, Sally. 2 weeks now. We're keeping track.
Work with me here, buddy.
What happened? I lost you for a second.
Really? Coming up on location. There it is. I got multiple scab kills. Going 166 put up a hell of a fight. Got any movement?
No sign of scavenger activity, but I've got limited visibility here, Jack, due to low angle of mission.
Copy that. I'm coming in hot.
So yeah, that's a little bit of sound demo, and you do enjoy better voices of the Ark. So that's a real thing. Is it a big change? Yeah, it's better than the Ark One. So yeah, that's what you can get. You got three, as I showed you, three. Let's see, where do I have it here? Sorry. Yeah, you got three voice. It's 1, 2, 3 voice settings that you can use, or you can disable it. So yeah. But if you use the low and you need to do it in the menu, you cannot adjust here because it's now low. It's not using it, or it's low. But if you want to use high or medium, yeah, you need to adjust it here, and you cannot adjust it in here. So you got high right now here. So yeah, that's okay. That's okay. What I do think is that the voices are better, and that's very nice, because that was the thing that I missed within the video, within the Ark. And everything was fine, you know, the surrounds, all that kind of stuff. It was really fine, but the voices were lacking, and now the voices are, yeah, it's pronounced, it's there, it's here, and it's a fine thing to have, and that is what we missed from the Ark One. So yeah, I do think it's an upgrade, and I think that the Ark is. The Ultra is better in all, but you know, I do have it for 1 day right now. So yeah, so I need to do more tests, and you know, I just got it. So yeah, for now, I think that the voice enhancement things, and with the 9 tweets, I think it was 9 tweeters within the Ark, it's doing a great job, and that's a nice upgrade to have. So yeah, for now, it was a nice thing to do again, this kind of stuff for you, and I hope people like it. You know, I'm not a professional, so I do like the thumbs up, because I'm here to show you, because I'm one of the first people on the internet of YouTube that has kind of demos and showing you that it is here. And you know, a lot of people need to wait for next week to the Ark that come out. So I was lucky to have one of the Arks right now. So yeah, so that I was curious about it. So I think that a lot of people are curious about the Ark, and people that don't have the Ark Ultra right now. That's why I'm doing this videos, to showing you that the Ark is there, and what it can do for me in this house. But I like it. I like it. I think that if you're spending 800 euros here in Holland, or here in Holland, it's euros. 800 euros for now for the Ark One. that it's nice to do an upgrade of 200 euros for the Ultra, because the Ultra is 200 euros more expensive. So yeah, it's a better choice. If you are thinking about, you know, upgrading the Arc for the Ultra, yeah, it's your own choice. And if you like the if you like the to have the voice enhancements things, that it will be better. It is better than what the Ultra, the Arc One, yeah, puts out. Yeah. So yeah, I'm not a professional, and I like to do these videos. And you know, somebody asked me to do a sound demo, so that's why I'm doing this, to show you people that the Arc is there and what it can do. So for now, I hope you give me some thumbs up, because you know, people ask me to do something, and you know, I try to do that, because the Arc is not on the market right now for a lot of people. So yeah, I want to educate a little bit. And if you have some questions, you can ask me. Yeah, do it in the comments. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. It's a long video, but thank you very much. Bye bye.